Hello friends, you are watching Master Mechanic YouTube channel. In this video we learn about the difference between petrol engines and diesel engines. Petrol engines and diesel engines are both types of internal combustion engines, but they operate on different principles and have distinct characteristics. Here's a clear comparison between the two. First is fuel type. Petrol engine runs on petrol, also called gasoline, a lighter, more refined fuel. Diesel engine runs on diesel, which is heavier and less refined compared to petrol. Second is ignition method. Petrol engine uses spark ignition. The fuel-air mixture is ignited by a spark plug. Diesel engine uses compression ignition. The fuel is injected into highly compressed air, which causes it to spontaneously ignite due to the high temperature created by compression. Third is compression ratio. Petrol engine has a lower compression ratio, typically between 9:1 and 11:1. The lower compression reduces the risk of knocking, pre-detonation, when the fuel ignites. Diesel engine has a higher compression ratio, typically between 16:1 and 21:1. The higher compression is necessary to achieve the high temperatures required for self-ignition of diesel fuel. Fourth is power and efficiency. Petrol engine generally produces less torque but operates at higher RPMs, revolutions per minute, making it suitable for lighter, faster vehicles. Petrol engines are also less fuel efficient compared to diesel engines. Diesel engine produces more torque at lower RPMs, which makes diesel engines more suitable for heavy-duty applications, like trucks, buses, and industrial machines. Diesel engines are typically more fuel efficient due to the higher energy content of diesel fuel and the higher compression ratio. Fifth, fuel efficiency. Petrol engine less fuel efficient because petrol has a lower energy content compared to diesel, and the lower compression ratio doesn't optimize fuel consumption as efficiently. Diesel engine more fuel efficient due to the higher energy content of diesel fuel and the engine's ability to extract more power per unit of fuel due to the higher compression ratio. Sixth, emissions. Petrol engine generally produces less particulate matter but more carbon monoxide, CO, and unburnt hydrocarbons, especially if the engine is not properly maintained. Diesel engine produces more nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, soot, due to the higher compression and temperature inside the combustion chamber, but modern diesel engines are equipped with technologies like turbocharging and exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, to manage these emissions. Seventh is engine durability. Petrol engine typically has a shorter lifespan than diesel engines because of the lower compression ratios and less stress on engine components. Diesel engine more durable and can last longer, especially in heavy-duty applications, because diesel engines are built to handle higher pressures and stress. Diesel engines are often used in commercial vehicles and equipment due to their longevity. Eighth is cost. Petrol engine generally cheaper to manufacture and repair due to simpler components, like the ignition system with spark plugs. Diesel engine tends to be more expensive to manufacture and repair because of the stronger components required to handle the higher pressures, and the presence of additional systems like fuel injectors and turbochargers. Ninth is noise and vibration. Petrol engine runs more quietly and with less vibration due to smoother operation and lower compression. Diesel engine typically louder and produces more vibration due to the higher compression ratio and the way the fuel is injected into the combustion chamber. 10th is applications. Petrol engine commonly found in passenger cars, motorcycles, and small equipment where performance, smoothness, and lower initial cost are more important. Diesel engine commonly used in trucks, buses, ships, heavy machinery, and commercial vehicles, where torque, fuel efficiency, and durability are the priorities. Conclusion. Petrol engines are ideal for light vehicles, offering a smoother ride, less noise, and lower upfront cost. Diesel engines excel in heavy-duty, high-torque applications, offering greater fuel efficiency, durability, and power for larger vehicles and equipment. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.